linear equation in one variable, some applications of a linear equation in one variable. So there is an example question is there. So that is, if L parallel to M, find the value of x. So in this figure, so this is L line and this is M line, and these two are parallel, and this is a transversal, and the angles are given 3x plus 20, this angle is 3x plus 20, and this angle is 5x minus 8 degrees. So we have to find value of x from this figure. How can we find? So this is very easy. So here these two lines L and M are parallel like a train track, and this is transversal. So these two angles are, this angle and this angle are interior angles same side of the transversal. This is transversal. So therefore sum of these two angle is 180. L parallel to M and 3x plus 20, 5x minus 8 degrees are interior angles same side of the transversal. Therefore 3x plus 20 degrees and 5x minus 8 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. So this is the property of these parallel lines. Okay. Now open these brackets, 3x plus 20 and this is 5x minus 8 degrees, okay, is equal to 180 degrees. Now 3x, 5x, these are will become 5x degrees, and this is 20 and this is minus 8, so sum of this is 12 degrees. So here the 8x is equal to 180 minus 12. If you transpose this 12 to the other side, it will become minus 12, and 180 minus 12 is equal to 168. 8x is equal to 168, and transpose this 8 to this side. Here it is multiplying, it will divide when we transpose this to right side. So x is equal to 180 minus 8, and that is equal to 8 ones are 8 twos are and 8 ones are. So 8 ones are 8 twos are 8 ones are. So that is 21 degrees. X is equal to 21 degrees. Okay. Example 2. Sum of the two number is 29 and one number is exceeds the another by 5. Find the number. Once again, sum of the two number is 29. One number exceeds another by 5. Find the number. So there are two numbers, and if you add those two numbers, we are getting 29, and difference of those two numbers is 5. So we have to find the two numbers. So answer is very easy. So let small number is equal to x, then bigger number is equal to x plus 5, because one number exceeds another by 5. So the difference of two number is 5. So if you assume a small number x, then the bigger number definitely x plus 5. Okay. So sum of the two numbers. Sum of the two numbers is equal to 29. Sum of the two number is 29. So sum of the two numbers means this small number and big number. So x plus 5. So sum of these two number is 29. Now open the bracket, x plus x plus 5 is equal to 29. Now x, so it will become 2x plus 5 is equal to 29. Okay. Now transpose this 5 to the right side. So then 2x is equal to 29 minus 5, which is equal to 24. So 2x is equal to 24. Therefore x is equal to 24 by 2 is equal to 12. So small number x is equal to 12 and bigger number x plus 5 is equal to 12 plus 5 is equal to 17. Okay. So these are the two numbers 12 and 17. Four times a number reduced by 5 is equal to 19. Find the number. Once again, 4 times a number reduced by 5 is equal to 19. Find the number. So answer is very easy. Let a number is equal to x. So 4 times is equal to 4x. 4 times means 4x. So it is reduced by 5. Reduced by 5. That is 4x. 4 times a number reduced by 5. So this 4 times a number reduced by 5 is equal to 19. Therefore, according to problem, 4 times a number reduced by 5 is equal to 19. Okay. So now it became an equation. Now transpose this minus 5 to this side. So 4x is equal to 19 plus 5. So minus 5 we transport to this side, it will become plus 5. Now how much it is? It is 24. So 4x is equal to 24. Therefore x is equal to 24 by 4. So if you transport this 4 to this side, it is multiplying x. If you transport to this side, it divide 24. So x is equal to 24 by 4. So x is equal to 6. Okay. So the number is 6. Length of the rectangle shaped park exceeds its breadth by 17 meters. If the perimeter of the park is 178 meters, find the dimensions of the park. Okay, once again, the length of a rectangular shaped park exceeds its breadth by 17 meters. If the perimeter of the park is 178 meters, find the dimensions of the park. So this is the question. So it is very easy. Now answer. So let breadth of a park, breadth of the park is x meters. Let now length of the park. Length of the park is x plus 17 meters. X plus 17 meters, because the length of a rectangular park exceeds its breadth by 17 meters. So length is 17 meters more than the breadth. Therefore, if x has breadth, then length of the park is x plus 17 meters. Now perimeter of the park. Perimeter of the park. So perimeter of the park, it is a rectangular shape, therefore perimeter of the park is equal to, so 2 into length plus breadth. Okay, so 2 into what is length? X plus 17 and breadth x, and according to the problem the perimeter of the park is 178 meters. So this is the perimeter, it is equal to 178 meters. So here perimeter of the park is 2 into length plus breadth, and length is x plus 17 and breadth is x. Okay, so 2 into x plus 17 plus x, and the perimeter of the park is 178. Okay, therefore so this is perimeter and it is equal to 178 meters. So transpose these two to that side. Okay, so this will be remaining on LHS, and on RHS 178 by 2, 178 by 2. So divide this 178 by 2, 2 1s are 2 8s are 16 and 18, now 2 9s are. So therefore x plus 17 plus x is equal to 89. So x 2x and this is 17, so 2x plus 17 is equal to 89. Now transpose this 17 to that side, 89 minus 17. Okay, so how much it is? It is 9 minus 7 2 and 8 minus 1 7. So 2x is equal to 72. Therefore x is equal to 72 by 2, which is equal to 36. So the value of x is 36. Therefore breadth x is equal to 36 meters, and length x plus 17 is equal to 36 plus 17, which is equal to how much? 7 plus 6 3 and 2, okay, 53 meters. Okay, breadth is 36 meters and length is 53 meters. So these are the dimensions of the rectangular park.